coming, it's coming. (10/30/2016), All Hallows Eve. It is thundering and lightning out here. Lots of wind. You can watch this umbrella moving around a bit. And 2:37 p.m. There's going to be some major thunder any second now. Lightning is building up. The T-cell storms are building up. Coast to coast, west coast, east coast, upper region, northern region, and southern region. More flooding going on here in the street. We have a flash flood here on the side of the property. The water is just gushing down into the neighbor's yard. Tons and tons and tons of water. So prepare for your flash floods. They're imminent now and into the next few hours. This is Donna Stensland reporting for the T-cell storm activity in Sonora, California. Coming down hard. Getting harder. Here it comes. That water is flowing now. Torrential flash flood, Sonora, California, Coinhart. October 30th, 2:50 p.m. Here comes the thunder. Here comes the thunder. Rolling through. Giving me the chills. Stay indoors, you guys. We're going to have trees falling over. We're going to have large branches falling over. If the wind picks up and the sogginess uproots these roots, there's going to be more instability in the ground, and there's going to be trees falling over. Luke, I need you to take this canopy down. It's getting a lot of weight on it from the leaves. This umbrella? That right there. Because it wasn't raining, and they were doing work out here. It is now 2:40 p.m., 10/30/2016. This is Donna Stensland. I hope you guys have a safe weekend and happy Halloween.